Hello everyone, I, Inderpreet Singh, faculty of BBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on concepts, needs and characteristics of environmental analysis. Environmental analysis is described as a process which examines all the components, internal or external, that has an influence on the performance of the organization. The internal components includes the strengths and weaknesses of the business entity, whereas the external component represents the opportunities and threats outside the organization. First, need for environmental analysis. First is, it is holistic. Environmental analysis is a holistic exercise because it takes a total rather than piecemeal view of the environmental forces. Second, it is explanatory. Environmental analysis is an exploratory process. And third need is, it is continuous. Environmental analysis is an ongoing rather than intermittent exercise. Next, I am going to explain is the characteristics of environmental analysis. First is complexity. The environmental consists of several factors and forces which interact with each other. Greater the number and diversity of environmental factors, higher the degree of complexity. Second is, it is dynamism. The environment is dynamic as it is changing continuously. The environment is fast and unpredictable. There are subparts of characteristics of environment. First is stable, simple. Organizations operating in such an environment generally provides few products with a limited number of customers, suppliers and competitors. Second is stable, complex. In this, the degree of change is low, but the degree of complexity is high. In other words, the number of customers, competitors and supplier has increased. Third is dynamic, simple. In this, organization faces high degree of change, but the number of customers, competitors and supplier is limited. Example, a clothing manufacturer selling to retail outlets faces rapidly changing style of clothing. And fourth is dynamic, complex. Here the environment is highly unpredictable. The number of customers, suppliers is also large. Electronic and computer software firms face such an environment. So I hope you have understood the lecture. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you very much.